Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So this week I'm doing a Zara haul and I'm also doing a really exciting Teddy Blake bag unboxing. This is going to be a try on haul, so all the pieces, I'll show you what they look like on here. I'll also do close-ups of the bag here as well. I also want to apologise if you hear drilling now and again. Like, I've literally just sat down to film this and the maintenance guy in the apartment building has just started drilling just outside the door of my apartment. So that's not helpful. As always, I'll leave everything linked down below in the description box. Oh my god, this drilling. And if you don't follow me on Instagram and TikTok, I'll leave that link down there as well so you can see how I set up all these bits. Right, so let's start with the bag unboxing. This is kindly sponsored by Teddy Blake, this part of the video. I'm so in love with this brand. So if you don't know, Teddy Blake is a luxury designer bag brand. I'll put a clip here of me doing the bag unboxing and you'll get some close-up shots and how I would style it with an outfit, but I'll also talk you through it now. So Teddy Blake are an amazing luxury bag brand and they make amazing bags that are real leather, like amazing quality. I went for this bag, which is the Kate Croco 9-inch bag in beige, and I am so in love with this. They have so many stunning bags though, like there is literally so much choice on the website. I was literally spoiled for choice, but I decided to go for this one and I'm so in love with it. I really wanted like a mini bag. I think I wear them the most and I think they're probably the most versatile from like day to night. But yeah, so this one is the 9 inches and it fits everything in there that I need. Like my phone gets in there perfectly, like I can fit so much in there. But it's really cute and it's a perfect colour as well to go with all my outfits. So I went for beige because I have quite a lot of black bags. I wanted something that was a little bit more versatile coming into the spring summer months. So I thought this would be perfect going into those warmer months and like some more neutral outfits that I'm going to be getting more wear out of. This will go perfectly, but equally this will be so good in the colder months as well when you want something a bit different, when you're just wearing more black and you want something to brighten up the outfit a little bit. This one also has gold hardware, so you can't see, but you'll probably see it better in the close-up. It's got little extra pouches in there for cards and like any items that you want to be a little bit more secure. You can pop them in the zipped compartments. And it also has a crossbody strap, which you'll see in the cutaway. I'll try it on crossbodies. And it also has gold hardware on that, and it's got a stunning little lock that says Teddy Blake on it, New York. So yeah, I'm so in love with this bag. I love the croc leather effect as well. I think it's so stunning. Another thing that I love about these bags is that they are amazing quality. So as I said before, they're real leather and I know that they're going to last like year after year and just be a staple in my wardrobe. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. It's so cute. I can't wait to wear it. I feel like it goes really well with the actual colour knit I've got on at the minute. But yeah, I just feel like their designs of bags are so classic. They're just timeless, and all of the bags that they had like were absolutely gorgeous. There was so much choice. Like I found it really difficult to actually decide which one to get. They've also got such a choice of colours. They literally do all the different bag styles in such a range of colours to pick from. So if you did want something that was more statement and like a bright colour, they definitely cater to that as well. But then if you're like me and you prefer like neutrals, there's so much choice as well. So I'll be sure to link this down below for you guys to shop. I'll also leave a link to their actual website so you can just have a look at all of the bags, but I'll link this one as well in case you guys want to get the same one that I got. And the bag actually came super quick as well, so delivery wise they are really good. So yeah, I cannot recommend them enough, and just the bags in general are absolutely gorgeous. So now let's get into the Zara bits. As you guys know, Zara is like one of my favourite clothing brands to go with, and straight after Christmas I wasn't really that keen on a lot of their stuff, but I feel like they're really up in their game now and they're getting some really good bits in. So this was the first thing that drew my attention that actually made me do this order, is this gorgeous khaki coloured blazer. I actually think it's probably more of like a forest green colour, but I'm absolutely in love with it. It's this really cool blazer from the front with this like bout that cinches you in at the waist, and then what actually caught my eye with this blazer is the back detail. So it's got a little cutout detail here, which is just really different. It's elasticated as well, so it really cinches you in at the waist, which I think looks gorgeous. Especially because all of my other blazers are just like a jacket, like they're just really oversized, whereas this is more like you wear it as the top. and it is the outfit. Like, it's not like you're just wearing it on top of your outfit that you've picked out. And I'm absolutely obsessed with this. I got this in a size small and it is $79.95. But I think the quality is amazing and I really love it for this sort of transitional period as well. I think this colour is perfect for like spring and also like autumn time. It's going to be really good. But yeah, I think that one's really cute. I think they also did matching trousers to this. The lighting is so weird with my camera. Apologies if the lighting goes like dark and light all the time. Like when I edit them back, I notice it really bad and it really frustrates me, but I don't know how to fix it. But yeah, these I think came with like matching trousers, but I didn't get them because they look like really wide leg, and I didn't really want any wide, like they're like proper like balloon leg. So yeah, so I didn't go for those. But the blazer I feel like is more versatile and I really love it. And then I'll show you what I picked up to style with the blazer. So I actually ordered these to try. So these are just little leather shorts. I don't actually own anything like this, and I feel like I probably should because I feel like they are quite a staple. They're just like really simple, classic style. They actually fit really well, and there's also bout loops, so if they were a little bit big you could easily cinch it in a little bit. These I got in a size extra small and they are $25.99. They're just like a classic thing that will go with like anything. I do think they're a really good investment piece in like your wardrobe. I feel like I would get a lot of wear out of them, so I think I'm going to keep these. I think they're a good piece sort of any time of year. I probably wouldn't wear them summer. I don't really tend to wear much leather in summer, but other than that I'd probably get loads of wear out of them in the other seasons. Next I got these really lovely trousers. I really love the colour of these, but when I saw them online they were like really beige, like, and these are khaki, like they look completely different colour wise, so that's kind of weird. I don't mind it though, I actually really like the colour and I think that it's a really lovely colour. I don't have anything like this, so I don't actually mind. But that's something to be aware of if you do order them or you do see them on the website. They look completely different in person. So I'll link them below, so if you want to check them out, just beware, like they do look different in the pictures. But the reason I can't keep these is because they are, again, way too big. I don't know what it is with Zara trousers. They're just so off, like size wise. They're just ridiculous. It's very rare you'll get one that's like actually fits you, or you could get away with it with just a bout, whereas these have got bout loops, so you probably could get away with it. If you like go down a size, you probably still will need to have a bout with it to make it fit properly. But these I got in a size extra small, which is the smallest size, and even with a bout they're going to be way too big, so these are going to go back unfortunately. But I do really love them, and I am on the hunt for like trousers like this sort of style in beige or like khaki or whatever, but like this sort of style trouser. They're a wide leg, full length trouser. But yeah, so I'm still on the hunt for something like this. I think I forgot to say how much they were. $29.99 if I forgot to say before, but I think that's like a reasonable price. Next is a bit of a wild card item. Like, this isn't something I would usually go for, but I just wanted to try it because I thought it looked cute. Again, I got this in extra small and it is $29.99, so it's quite expensive for a top, but it's got this lovely pearl embellishment. I don't know if you can see that clearly. Yeah, so it's this lovely white knit ribbed sort of racer top, and it's got these pearl drops all around, which I think is a really nice touch. I thought it was just something a bit different, so I just thought I'd give it a try. But after sort of wearing it and styling it up a few times, like I just feel like I'm not going to get any wear out of it. I mean, I think you could. I think it does look really nice and it does fit really well. But just for me, I just think I'm not going to be reaching for it, so I think I'm just going to return this one. And it is, like I said, £30, so it's like quite a lot for just a little top, so yeah. Next I got this really lovely midi dress. So this again is in like this like dark forest green color, and it is just a bandeau midi dress. I love like a bandeau top or like a bandeau dress. Like, I'm completely here for that. Like, I just love it. It's just so classic and just goes with everything. And I actually thought this would be really good for a wedding. I've got a wedding not till summer, but last summer I wore a bandeau dress to one of those and it was just so lovely. Like, I felt like it fit me really well. It was like a hot summer wedding, so I didn't want anything to be like clinging to my arms or anything and make me feel like too hot, and it was just perfect. So I thought I'd try this one, and I do really like it. The only issue for me is it is a little bit big. It's not like majorly big, but just like, it's just not quite right. So I think I'm going to send it back and like wait to find something else, because I have got a while until I need to get the wedding dress, the wedding guest dress sorted, because it's not till June. So I think I'm just going to hold off for a bit and just see if anything else comes out that I like. This I got in extra small and it's $35.99, so it's not too bad. I think it's just a plain dress, like there's not a lot going on to it. It's got a little bit of stretch but not majorly. It's got a zip on the side, so that's how you get it on. But yeah, I just think for me I'm just going to send it back, but it is really nice and I think the colour and shape's lovely. I forgot to say as well, it's got a slit in the back. You can't, I don't know why I'm holding it up like that, you literally cannot tell. It's got a slit in the back to help with like movement and stuff, because it is quite fitted. But yeah, I think it is very flattering and I would recommend it, but just for me, I think I'm just gonna send it back for now. And then lastly, I got these jeans from Zara. I've been on the hunt for some straight leg black jeans for ages because I've not had any black jeans. But basically I got these in a size 4 because the size 6s usually are really big around my waist. But these do fit, but they are really tight and just like uncomfortable. And so I think I'm just going to send these ones back, because I feel like I need something in between the 6 and the 4 at Zara. Like, it just doesn't quite work with the jeans, or maybe they'd stretch out, but I can't be bothered to deal with wearing uncomfortable jeans to stretch them out. So I'm just going to send these back, but they are really nice, so I would give them a try. I think the leg length is really good, and like the shape of the leg I really like, but the size 4 is too small for me. I might try the 6, but I don't know, we'll see. So I got these in 32, which is a size 4, and they are $35.99. They also did these in different colours if you don't want black. I just really like a straight leg jean at the minute. I feel like they're a really classic style that's going to stick around, and I think they're really flattering. So yeah, I would recommend these, but stick to your true size, don't size down like I did. And that is everything. So well done if you got to the end. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I picked up from Zara and my new bag from Teddy Blake New York. I'm so in love with it and I can't wait to wear it. Everything will be linked down below for you guys to shop and check out. And if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.